Mama! 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 What? What is all that commotion? Why are you so loud? Who cares if I'm so loud? I have an ice cream truck, an all-you-can-eat ice cream truck. I love ice cream. Is there any ice cream in there? The kids in the neighborhood are gonna be so happy. Oh, I can't wait until I see their happy faces and their big smiles. Mom, this is for us, not for the kids. That is not fair. And what are you saying? Did you rent that or buy it? I bought it. I bought it? You're selling that. Nope. If you're not going to sell it to the kids in the neighborhood, you're selling that. What? That's not fair. I said no. And that is not fair. What are you going to do about it? Nothing, huh? I'm going to delete your Roblox account and sell that ice cream truck. You are not going to delete my Roblox account. That took me a lot of hard work. Games are not hard work. Work is hard work. Get it? Get it? Okay, I'll sell it. Sorry. Bye-bye, ice cream truck. I hope you go to a lovely owner.